Wow, I wasn't expecting that. The vibration, the energy of this beautiful water. So there, it's really waterproof. Yeah, Bradley, special treaty breaking for you time. Now he's drooling. Good boy. Skill. They didn't float away. This is from one of my favourite places. Go back there, I think. What are you doing? My nose can't help but try and find it. It's just over there, I know it is. Is there a fish around? Yes, Mama, there's just over there. There's a big fish. Come look. Yeah. Hey, that's not your bed. We have a front seat. Oh my gosh, so many seeds. Do not have seeds in the front seat, people. Do not do that. Getting this thing up is heavy. Gonna check the water and the oil. Yep. So I've done the water. Surprisingly, I had to put over a litre in there, like a litre and probably 2 litres of water in there, and then I saw the coolant come up and it was good. The oil, however, I cannot get that open, so I gain a bit more strength. By the way, I'm sure you know, but in case you don't ever check the water or the oil or anything under the motor, under the hood. Don't ever do it unless you've been sitting still for a while. You've been sitting idle without the motor on. Otherwise, this is like, it'll all be way too hot. This could actually burn you very badly, so could that, especially where the water is, yeah. So don't do it unless you've been sitting still for enough time for everything to cool down. Raining, I'm doing all this in the rain. There's my clothesline. Love a clothesline. This is looking more full. More water. May have to move. It's okay. It's okay. Saturated. Yes, for you. Good boy. Full of good minerals and vitamins. Seaweed. Kelp. Good. You like it, don't you? You want more? More? Okay, I just looked at the weather report. There's going to be a lot of rain in the next few days and tomorrow, and it may happen tonight, so I think I should move to a different, try and find somewhere else. Oh, that looks nice. Yeah, because it is possible, like even the grass up there, the soil that the grass is on could get too wet for me to get out. So I think we should, yeah, I've buckled everything down pretty much. See what we can find. So I left my goodness gracious. Oh my god. No more filming. Wow, so we've been driving until handbrake on. Until we couldn't really drive any more. Oh, this is awesome. Lights off. You're so cute. Look at that nose. Oh, this is perfect. I know, Mama. So I can smell everything, and the birdies, if they come, I can smell them a mile away for you, Mama. So you don't have to worry about nothing. You just relax. Stop filming me, please. Mama. I'm filming you because you're beautiful. And I love you. No, wait, no, I'm a big scary white boy with everyone. With everybody. All of you are there, you always scared of me, alright? You don't come near my mama. Nobody comes near my mama, only me. Maybe 1, 2, 3. 3 the crowds, maximum 3. Alright? Okay. Alright. I think I made my point. And what I meant was maximum 2. Maximum 2 because 3 the crowd and I'm here. And there's mom here, so I think I made my point. Hey, boy. Look at that. Yeah. Aww. Look at him go. Wobbly. Oh. My mind. Oh my gosh. That is what I've been driving through. Up so high. Oh my gosh. My heart rate is racing. This is my choice right now. That road or this road. This way is much safer. I don't know what's down that road. I don't know what the condition of the road is. Even though I want to go left, I want to go down there, I'm not. I'm going to be sensible and safe. I think I'm going downhill now. Was any of that even recording? Oh my goodness. This at that. Is this even real life? Is this real? This is real. So grateful. What more is there? What more am I going to see today? It's just like a heavenly realm over and over again in different scenes. Oh, what an epic day. Oh my god. I don't even know where I am, by the way. I haven't had phone reception for the entire day or last night. Oh my gosh. I wouldn't rather be lost anywhere else. Well, I'm not lost, but you know what I mean. Oh my god. Oh my damn. Today though, with all the clouds and the mist, and it's been amazing. But I was able to stop and give you some epic views. Now, where am I? This is what it's about for me. Sharing the absolute beauty that not only this country has, but the world, the earth. Left where I was because I had no reception last night and none today. I thought I need to get moving to somewhere where I have some reception to let the folks know and some people that know that I'm okay. Oh, did you see that tree and its roots? I'm gonna pull over. Literally need to splash some water on my face. I have the perfect thing. Spray water. Refreshing. I've got everything I need. Even my peach tea. Oh, let's keep going. Am I ever gonna get phone reception? I've been driving for a long time. Oh, looks like we're going up again. done yourself. Thank you, Mother Nature. Thank you, nature. This bridge. Still no reception. But I've just remembered some wonderful directions that the ranger guy gave me back at the other favourite campsite of mine that he told me about. Yeah, I just remembered some directions and he actually wrote them down for me. I just double checked them in my book where he wrote them, and that's the way I'm going now. I don't know if I'll have reception. I hope no one's worried. Oh, there was a big sign. I should have got some footage of it. A big, like, warning sign about heading this way and be prepared about the roads and the trucks and make sure you're a skilled driver and only take on what you should, kind of thing. There were all these like warnings, all these dot points. River. Might stop filming now and just enjoy it. In the safest way possible. This is a great road. No potholes. Just a little bit more for you. There's a river. Oh, I can't wait to get settled at a camp spot. Can't wait. What's down here? I remember he told me about a road that he wasn't sure about if I'd be able to get up it in my van if it rained, and then he said, oh, they may have fixed it. Was he talking about this road? This looks like it'd be, well, fine, definitely fine with the rain. That's why I moved today, another reason. That got me on the move because of the rain, and I was going to get stuck there for sure because it was muddy. This is beautiful, far out. This is going to be an oh my goodness, entirely different video.